In your kit, you will find one long strand of hemp cord, one shorter strand of hemp cord, and a few beads. You may also need some scissors. To get started, fold each strand of hemp cord into two. Gather the folded ends of both strands together and knot to create a simple loop. This should give you a small loop, a knot, and then 4 strands. This bracelet uses a simple knot. You will make the knot over and over again, just alternating the side you start the knot. Gather the 2 short strands in the center and the long strands on either side. The 2 short ones will always be in the middle. Here's how to make the knot. Thread the left over the middle strands and under the right strand to make a loose hole. Thread the right under the middle strands and through the hole you just made with the left strand. Pull the outer strands tight to finish the knot. You will now complete the same knot but start on the opposite side. Thread the right over the middle strands and under the left to make that loose loop. Then thread the left under the middle strands and through the hole. Pull the outer strands and finish the knot. Continue making this knot, alternating the side you start each time. If you would like to add beads, thread a bead through one of the short middle strands and then continue the next knot around the bead. It's up to you if and where you add the beads. For the bracelet in this video, I started with about 30 knots and then added beads with about 10 knots in between each bead. When the bracelet is your desired length, tie the end off by either knotting all 4 strands in one knot, or knotting one outer strand with one inner strand, and the other outer strand with the other inner strand. To tie the bracelet on a wrist, tie the end strands in a knot around the loop. Cut any excess cord.